In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add your Amazon seller account to Odoo using the Odoo App Store. This is perfect if you want to manage your Amazon operations directly inside Odoo, save time, and reduce manual work like syncing products, orders, and inventory. If you're using Odoo and selling on Amazon, this setup is a must. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Odoo App Store by visiting apps.odoo.com. This is the official marketplace where you can find both free and paid apps that extend Odoo's functionality. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top, along with different app categories. This is where we'll find the Amazon integration. Next, click on the search bar and type Amazon Seller. As you type, Odoo will start showing relevant results related to Amazon integrations. Look through the list carefully because there are multiple Amazon-related apps depending on your needs, such as marketplace connectors, shipping tools, and reporting add-ons. Now, from the search results, click on the app called Amazon Odoo Connector. This module is designed to help you integrate and manage your Amazon seller account operations directly from Odoo. It allows you to sync products, manage orders, update inventory, and avoid errors that usually happen with manual data entry. Clicking on this app will open its detailed page, where you can see features, screenshots, supported Odoo versions, and pricing information if applicable. Take a moment here to review the details and make sure it supports your Odoo version and Amazon Marketplace. This step is important so you don't run into compatibility issues later. Once you're on the app page, look for the Live Preview button and click on it. The Live Preview lets you see how the Amazon connector works inside an Odoo environment before you install it. This gives you a clear idea of the interface, available settings, and how the Amazon seller account integration will look once it's active. From here, the next steps typically involve installing the app in your Odoo database and then connecting your Amazon Seller Central account using the required credentials, such as your seller ID, marketplace region, and API access details. Each connector may guide you slightly differently, so follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app developer carefully. Once connected, you'll be able to manage your Amazon listings, orders, and inventory directly from Odoo, saving you a huge amount of time and keeping everything centralized in one system. And that's it. You've now learned how to find and add an Amazon seller connector to Odoo using the Odoo App Store. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.